Hey guys, I'm the artist here. It's a little out of focus. I know my webcam not that great. Um, this was a picture that our teacher, I almost said her name, our art teacher gave us, and I had a free English hour, so I colored it. But you can still like see most of the lines and stuff. We had to sketch this bird in our sketch pad, and since I can't really draw much of anything right now, I figured might as well just show you my sketch pad. And here is my sketchbook drawing. It's really cool. I like it. And it actually looks like the picture, and I'm not great at realism like at all, so this is pretty good for my usual style of art. And that's all I have to say about this. If I draw anything else, I can't really hold the pencil very well right now, so while my cat is clawing my door like crazy. See you guys next time. Hope I can start making normal videos again soon.